Welcome to my YouTube channel, folks. I hope you all are doing fine wherever you are. I wish you a pleasant day, pleasant evening, pleasant morning, wherever you're watching from. This is likely going to come out in Spain, Nigeria, because we are talking about the connection of being practical in aspects of life. So probably we are starting this video from the garden, and we move forward to something else like making the drums sound good and then playing a tune for you. So, but if not, please do subscribe to channel Trap Okolo, TRAPPOKOLO, or at Spin Nigeria, Sustainable Projects in Nigeria. So you might wonder, where is he in now? This man that says he's chasing cloud, yeah. He's chasing cloud but at the same time being useful. So let me take you around so you can see what I've done today. I started in a garden, and as you can see, there's a sculpture where I'm sitting. I'm going to give you details of this sculpture sometime in future. But right now, let's start to see the result. I don't know how to turn the camera around when you're watching with your. Let me see if I can change it. No, it doesn't change. Okay, so I will learn that probably when I do the master class in that village in in somewhere in Kenya. I greet you all, those in this family doing fine, and I wish the people that are just starting are also doing good. So, thank you for watching. Stay tuned. At the end of the video, there's going to be some lessons on how to tune the djembe drums. But first of all, the other aspect of life, which is gardening or taking care of the environment, is where I'm starting now. So let's see what was done. So as you can see, the grass is still green, and now we have the first dump of the dried leaves, and then going over here is second dump of the dry leaves, and there's the compost where some of them are going to come. So you can see that nature is doing wonderful. If you look closely, you're going to see there's a snail that is already doing his work or its work in the compost. So this is nature, my dear. Nature has its own way of doing things. I just wanted to start this video from here so that you will know that if somebody says he's versatile, he is versatile. Versatility is the best way of living a life, especially when you are creative enough. You can do garden works, you can grow your own food, and you can produce sculptures, okay? For example, this one that is yet to be finished, okay? And the one that is closed, which I'm going to open for you one day. So right now we're going upstairs, and I'm going to show you how to have to change my hand because I'm still learning how to hold my camera steady. The gears are coming, no problem. So I have to go inside now, and we start taking care of the drums. So from here, you can see how beautiful the garden looks. You see that? You see that? See that? That's what you can do for the environment. Okay? I'm going to take you to the greenhouse soon, but right now we are going upstairs where we are going to work on the on the drums, after which I will play a tune for you guys. So thanks for watching. It's going to be a little bit dark, but all the same, you are welcome. Please tell others to subscribe. There's going to be a series of random videos in this channel and the sister channel, Trap Okolo and Spin Nigeria at Spin Nigeria. So now I have my handshoe. As you can see, the handshoe that I had before was for what? To walk in the garden, and the same handshoe, there's hand gloves. Please pardon me, whenever you hear me saying words in German, that's what happens when you stay in a country for a long time. You tend to think in that language. And when you think in that language, what happens is that most of the words that are similar, you pronounce them in form of the language where you're living. The only thing I have to promise you is the African languages that I know, I still speak them well. Okay? I will drop one now so that you know that I'm doing the right thing. Asina nwanya adia akanka na egwu ọma agba. Okay? So, the ladies, the women, a woman doesn't do what? Doesn't get old over this song or dance that she knows well how to do. So now, I think that's a very good station. So I should have removed this, but let me leave it because I don't want to show you my gray hair. So I have to actually get a hammer, but no problem. I can start now in a manner. So this is the drums. I'm going to tune it, okay, so that it will sound better. So the problem with this drum now is it has a high tone, but a bad bass. So now the best I have to do is to tune it. And I hope you do it. So the first you do when you're tuning a drum is, first of all, this time around I'm doing it just with hands. Okay? That's why I need the hand glove, because it's gonna cut my hand if I'm not careful. So the first thing you do is you try to, to draw. This is a Ghana drum. This is a drum from Ghana. Okay? This is typical of Ghana. So, and the thing now is that they used an industrial cleaned hide, hide or skin, goat skin. This goat skin was cleaned industrially. That's why it looks this way. I will show you in future other ones that were cleaned non-industrially. So the best thing you do, first of all, you find out where, where the last chord was stored. Okay. While I'm doing this, I think I have to be fair to you guys because I don't want you to lose this instructional video. I have to put on what you call, I have to make sure that my battery doesn't run down on me. Okay. So you try to find the end of the rope. And when you find it, you remove it. So get it ready because after bringing the other ones together, you sure have to try your best to make sure that that the last rope helps you to draw it to yourself. I hope I'm making sense, my dear. I hope you people understand where I'm going. I'm trying to tighten up these drums. So the first is to get the last edge, the last end of the rope. Okay, so if the video, takes a long time, I think the best thing I will do is I will remove it. I will stop it and then start afresh. So I've gotten the last, and now I have. It's very clear that with this I can continue with my yeah with my yeah with tightening of the rope, with tuning of the drums. But now the second stage after finding the end of the rope, okay, is trying to draw all lines. I will start in the middle somewhere, draw it up. Okay. So I don't have to bore you with this now. The best I have to do is play how it sounds down for you, then off the video and start up again when I must have finished tuning the drum, and then play a tune for you so that you will do what? You will hear how it sounds. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching and remain blessed.